I'm Charles Davis. Let me begin by inviting you all to Houston next October. We're having a conference, an academic conference on business analytics. It will be a communication of the ACM sponsored conference, and we will send out a call for papers next month. So. I call this Toward a Model curriculum because it's a work in process. We're still developing it. How do you make? Okay, there we go. What I did was review a group of universities' curricula and looked at the things that they had in common and came up with a set of topics that should be included in a body of knowledge for business analytics that then could be set up as a set of courses. We are developing a program at the University of St. Thomas. The economy in Houston is exploding, and there's a lot of activity going on, so there's a lot of interest in this area, and our administration at the university is very interested in pursuing this. It's a 5-semester lockstep program. It's part-time. It's for working professionals. It's a 27-hour program. And that's just the basic program. There could very well be other classes added to this as we develop the rest of it. We haven't figured out yet or decided what the prerequisites are, but of course we would want strong mathematical skills and good database and programming skills as part of it. It's a 2-year program, including 1 summer. The methodology for the study, basically all we did was, we did a literature review on big data analytics. I was a visiting scholar at MIT last year working on research and analytics, and part of what I did was this analysis, and we use that as a basis for evaluating the curricula of a number of universities. I'll give you a list of universities in a minute that all have Masters of Science in Business Analytics programs. So we constructed a list of topics from the evaluation of the curricula and made a body of knowledge as a working copy that we could use as a basis for structuring courses. The body of knowledge includes these 24 topics. They are in the order of presentation for the courses. So the first 3 go into a course called Foundations of Business Analytics, which is an introductory course. The next 4 go into a management science course that will be called Management Science, and so forth. All of these are topics that were discussed in the various curricula that we evaluated, and of course they were emphasized differently by different universities, but these are the main issues. You will have the slides available to you, and you'll have the list of all the courses there. The proposed course titles: Foundations of Business Analytics is the first course, Management Science, Model Building Practicum. The Model Building Practicum deals with model building for marketing, production, and supply chain management type problems. Prediction and time series analysis. The basic analytics programming will be a course built around the software of a particular vendor, probably IBM. The managing big data is database and data warehouse material, information, and advanced analytics is the more advanced programming for analytics. Financial analytics is a practicum at the end that deals with profit analytics and that sort of analysis, and then the final capstone is the basically a project for the students. Universities whose curricula we looked at, University of Texas, these are all business, a Master of Science in Business Analytics degree programs offered by these universities. And so we use those as a input to the process. These are some of the references on the paper that we wrote for this. And then at the end here, I've added a summary of each of the courses. And the only one that has been really developed is Foundation to Business Analytics. I'm teaching that currently, and it is an MBA elective course. It's going very well. The course has a lot of research papers and theory involved in it, and it does not have, it's an experimental version of the course. It does not have any actual hands-on in it yet. It is all theory, but the pacing and timing of it looks good, and there are a number of case studies that have been used that are part of it, and research papers are a part of it, and it's going over very well. Next year, my intention is to write a case study that will run the entire length of the course, and will have projects that they have to do as homework assignments built into this course. The other courses are here in order for you to look over when you get the slides. That's it. Any questions? Thank you.